Hello everyone, and today I'm going to play SCP-3008. But there is one rule: I cannot place any waypoints. So if I die, I might spawn somewhere very far away, and I will never find my house again. So surviving will be pretty hard. I think this thing will be a pretty good place to build a house in. Oh, a snowman. That's so cool. There is like a winter update. There is a Christmas tree, and then whatever this is called. I can decorate my house with them. That would be pretty cool. Oh, I'm so lucky. I got this thing. I don't know what it's called, but like a piece of wood. Oh, and some more. So I can just start building my house right away. I have no idea how long I will be able to survive without waypoint. Well, I mean, I will survive even without any waypoints, but it will be really hard to find my house. So, yeah. I'll take this table and I'll place it somewhere right. Oh, maybe I can build my house right here. And then I can see what's under me. And I will have a pretty good view. Oh, there's like a playground. I'm very afraid that it will be nighttime very soon. So I need to be as fast as possible. Any food here? Oh, there's an apple right here and a button.
That was easy.
Nice. Oh, and another apple. And I can take this, but oh, I think this will be better. It's like bigger. Oh, I will need this for sure, and some food. I spawned like at a very great place. I will also take this. I think I lost my house. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. If I will need to go somewhere far away, and then to get some resources, I don't think that I will be able to find my house. So I guess I cannot go too far away. I will start building the house now. I will take the beds and make them into walls. Beds are like my favorite materials to build houses out of because they're pretty big and they spawn in locations where there is not just one bed but multiple. Can I hug this snowman too? Nice. There was like there were pieces of glass. Can I use them to maybe attack the NPCs that will attack me? Or that's not how it works. I actually haven't seen like any SCPs here yet, I think. Well, that's good for me. Can I just throw it on top? Maybe I can do this. Nice. Oh, is this like a new location? Oh, a gingerbread. That's so cool. It's super cute. And this table is pretty big. I can place it somewhere there, and then I will get it later. I also want to get this star. I love everything from the Christmas update or winter update. Oh, there are also these lights. I will get them and place somewhere right here. I will get just 2 because it will take a pretty long time to get all of them. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Nothing interesting in here. Some food here, but I don't really need any. I have plenty of food right now. I will get this bed. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I think I have to be like really fast or otherwise the SCPs could kill me. Okay. I will place this bed somewhere right here. Oh no, it fell down. Can I get it from here? No, I don't think that I can. Can I? Oh no, I just fell down. Okay, maybe I can just place it right here. Good enough. I don't think that there's anything. Oh wait, no. I thought these ones were empty, like there was no glass on them, but there is. Okay. I will get one of the lights and place it somewhere right here, but I will put it like that against the wall. And that way I will... Oh no, I just fell down. That way I will be able to see my house. Maybe I should place another one even higher. How do I get it? Okay, like that. And somewhere like that. Yeah, that's nice. Now I will probably eat something like this. And I will drop the gingerbread. Maybe I should just go somewhere, because actually this is pretty boring, just building one house. And I don't see any NPCs that could kill me, so yeah, I guess I'll just go somewhere maybe there. Let's see, I will get one of these stars just so that I could see where I'm going, and I'm also going to get this water and lemons. Nice. Okay, now I will get the star. Wait, is there supposed to be a snowman here or no? No, I guess not. That was just a pile of snow. I saw that someone was chasing me for a second because of the shadows. Request objectives. Okay. Go to the objectives menu for more information. Where is it? Is it this? Interact with a ceiling lamp. Hit an employee 5 times. Pick up a pallet. What is that? Okay, let's try to complete the objectives, I guess. I haven't been here before, have I? No, I haven't, because if there was an apple, I would have got it. What is this? Toilet. Okay. Does this give more light than the star? Like if I hold it? Yeah, I think it might. Okay, I'll just use this light from now on, I guess. Let's go somewhere. Oh, maybe I should build my house here. should I? Let's see, maybe there's some a place which is more interesting than this. I don't see any employees here. Like, I haven't seen a single one, even during the daytime. Oh, and absolutely the same lamp. Okay. What is this doll? Just some random person. Okay. Let's go. Wait. Which direction did I just come from? No idea. Okay, let's go that way. Or maybe this way. I definitely walked in a straight line, so even if I am going backwards, at least I will change my direction a little bit. Oh, okay. That just scared me. That was very unexpected. Still no employees. Where are they? Maybe I should try switching my game mode to make everything more interesting. 700 players? Should I try playing that? Okay, let's try. How much players will be playing that game now? Like, are there a lot of them? Let's see. Well, not so many actually. Let's see if we can find someone. Oh, wait, what? Oh, am I freezing because of the weather? How does that work? Oh, and this employee is in a hat. You have no objectives. How do I stop dying from the cold? Oh, that takes a long time to pick up. And what does it even do? Oh, hello, person. I am still dying. Have to be quick to pick this up and then go somewhere. What do I even do? Oh, okay, I didn't pick this up. Okay, let's see. Maybe I need to go like next to a light source or something, maybe? I don't know. No, that doesn't really seem to work. Let's get 2 slices of pizza and I don't know, maybe I should actually place a light there. Oh, everyone is leaving. Okay. Wait, I think that's actually working. I don't think that I'm dying anymore. That's good. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else that I can do to not freeze? I'll use this to heal myself. And what did I just open? What is that? Developer console? Okay. Where services loaded, this should only appear once. Character, my nickname, do. Help. Successfully set, reset, call back. Okay, whatever. Oh, that's what I clicked. Like, this thing. Okay. will hug the snow. Will I freeze if I hug him? Okay. Well, this will be the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching it, then please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!